Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Xiaomi Redmi A1 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which are listed in the description. At first, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or card pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clips securing the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, take out the cover from the body. Next, remove the logic board cover by undoing 11 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, pull out the not working battery from the body. First, release two adhesive tabs on the battery and gently extract adhesive from each side. And if the pull tabs get damaged, gently use a pry tool to pull out the battery. This process takes time, so handle the phone with care while pulling out the battery. Next, secure the new battery with adhesive. Next, fasten the battery connector. Next, secure the board frame by securing 11 screws. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clips securely. And also insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.